Are you looking for the health benefits of turmeric juice? 1. Turmeric juice is anti-inflammatory. Turmeric juice is a potent anti-inflammatory that can help reduce inflammation and joint pain. It is often used to treat arthritis and other conditions associated with inflammation. It has been shown to be as effective as ibuprofen in reducing inflammation and joint pain. This juice is also a powerful antioxidant and can help prevent oxidative damage to the body. Inflammation is a condition that results from the overproduction of specific molecules within the body. These molecules can do a lot of damage to our cells and tissues, which leads to many different diseases. Antioxidants work by quenching or neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are molecules that are created when our body breaks down old cell debris, and they have the potential to do a lot of damage to our cells and tissues. The juice is filled with vitamin C, which helps prevent free radical formation. Hence, you should include turmeric juice in your daily diet. 2. Turmeric juice boosts the immune system. The immune system helps our body to fight off infections and other diseases. A healthy immune system is the best way to prevent diseases and infections. Turmeric juice is packed with vitamin C, which boosts the immune system and helps it to function properly. Vitamin C increases the white blood cell count and allows them to fight off infections. It also plays a role in producing antibodies, which are responsible for the defense against infections. Turmeric juice also contains zinc, which is an essential component of the immune system. Zinc is a component of white blood cells and helps them function. Thus, it is best to include turmeric juice in your daily diet if you want your immune system to remain intact.